use this type of lace, but the problem with this lace that it goes in one direction, and it's very difficult to find the match of components, like, you know, the match of this design. But again, it's lace and it's not necessary to be the same, like totally the same, so we can try this way. So what you're actually doing first, you use the glue, nail polish glue, and you put a lot on the shape, so you can see it's quite sticky and it's shiny. So you try to cover all surface, like every corner, and then you have to transfer your foil. But I have to turn off my camera because unfortunately my phone holder is broken, and that's why I'm working with one hand. So you glue and you press a little bit, right? Not hard. You don't want to damage this foil, right? And the rule number one, you don't remove the foil right away, like at once. So you start from one corner and you start removing slowly and see if there's any spots when the foil wasn't transferred. So you see here it was dry on the top. So I'm coming back, but first I have to put more glue here. Like I'm lifting a little bit, then I put glue and I press again. So I actually lift it, I press again. Okay. And now gently I'm lifting again. You see, and you have better result. Gently. See, it's much better. So I continue to lift and see if there are any missed spots here. You see, here is the missed spot. So again, I put some glue here and I cover again. And I will do slowly to finish entire surface to be sure that everything is glued and transferred. So here we have everything transferred, and I have no like black holes, everything uncovered. So I'll do the same with this one. So here I'm sure it transferred. I'm not sure here on the top, so I'll be slowly lifting the nail foil, checking. No, you see, this is didn't transfer. That's actually the problem of many masters, that they're in a hurry and they think it's damaged and nothing can do. That's why please don't lift, don't remove this nail foil right away. Just do it slowly and cover with nail glue this missed spots again and then press again. And it's this way you will get entirely covered surface with nail foil. So again, I put some glue and I press with my finger, wait a second or two, and then I start to remove the foil slowly again. So here we have like 2 earrings with lace design. So how about other side? I probably will cover 2, but you see, it's easy. Just do it slowly, don't be in a hurry, and then all foil, entire foil will go on a surface and nothing will be left on a foil. The surface is very smooth. Sometimes you don't need anything on the top, but I recommend to cover with some varnish or resin to preserve these earrings from damage, and they will look more presentable like my other one I showed you. Also, you can transfer, this is like already done and it's ready to be varnished, like this one. So I use this one nail foil. You see, there are different types of nail foil. and I use this one nail foil, so different design. And again, it's fun to experiment, and it's always fun to experiment. Look, like this one or this one. There's so many different types of foil, and I found that it's some kind of art therapy, so you can use as an art therapy. If I want to add some design here, let's say, I can add some rose. So it would be, I add some rose, let's say this way, right? So in this way, I'll get some kind of like set of pendant, like this pendant, let's say. And then I add some roses here. Then I get a set of jewelry, pendant and 2 earrings. Well, it's up to me to play with all this kind of ideas. And as you see, it's very easy to do it. And it, honestly speaking, you don't need too much time to dry. It's already dried. So it's just like half a minute and it's ready to be varnished, and start using and assemble, and then use this earrings. You know, it's so simple. So I finished to transfer nail foil on my wooden shapes like future earrings. So now I have to prepare these earrings for assembling. And first of all, I have to clean some edges, because some edges has, you see, this leftovers of foil, and like this one as well. So I have to cut it. I usually use a knife, or I use sharp scissors, like manicure scissors. And the next step would be varnishing. And some of these earrings has already varnish on the back. So this part is ready, so I just need to put something on the top. I probably will use this time sparkle Mod Podge and maybe some varnish, maybe some resin. I have no idea. I'm gonna kind of decide it later. And I have to color some edges, or leave like that, you see, or maybe I need to do like other color, probably green or pink or silver and golden. This is like my pencils I use to cover these edges and to make them looking better, more presentable. And some I need to put something on the back, like this one. Maybe I can leave like this, depends. If there is no spots, then it's okay. But if I have any spots, then I actually have to kind of, like this one already has this beautiful metallic blue color. And if I have any spots on the back, then I have to remove it and make it nice. I like my earrings to be presentable, not just like, you know, in the front, but also on the back. And I created like small earrings, and I need to put some varnish on the top. So I was learning how actually the nail foil is transferred to this not a flat type of beads. It's actually, you can call beads or pendants, like any wooden shape, but I like that it's covered already with paint, so it's much more easy to work. As you can see, quite different type of earrings, different shapes, different colors, but I'm happy. And when I'm done with finishing the product, then actually I show you how it looks in reality.